Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to update Microsoft Word. So first, and before updating, if you are already working on a document, go to File and click on Save to save your work. So now to update your Microsoft Word, go to File, then go to Account, and in the Office Update section, click on Update Options and select Update Now from the drop-down menu. Office will search for updates, and if you need to update your Microsoft Word, then Office will apply the updates. And if your Office already up to date, then this pop-up will appear saying that you are up to date and the latest version of Office is installed on your computer. So then just click on Close. And that's it, guys. In the updates options, you also have the disable updates, don't update for security, performance, and reliability. You can view updates to see the update history for this product, and you can also learn more about updates. And after updating your Microsoft Office, just close Microsoft Word, then open it again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.